Welcome back to another Dynodaze video, a glorious red EP3. Now it's got some modifications, this, including Tegiwa 70mm or Japspeed 4:1. It's got a Ultra Series intake and a Tegiwa letterbox leaf heater. First things first, we're going to do a stock power run, see how we get on, and then we shall do an ECU exchange and start tuning from that point. So, here we go. Well, there we go, an EP3 mapped.
Yeah, I'm back to a jumper because it's gone cold and it's absolutely lumping it down with rain. Dan's got man flu. If you could tell from yesterday's video to today's video, he looks particularly greyer and worse than he did yesterday.
But I'm still at work.
But I'm determined I'm not going to get it. So windows are open today.
No kissing.
No
kissing.
Definitely no kissing today.
Got to have a day off.
Yeah, got to have a day off. So beautiful EP3, real nice, real clean. Done 170, almost 175,000 miles. So fair up there on the mileage. To be fair to it, we ran the car standard, and basically it was all over the place. It was really down on power, but it was really rich as well, to be fair. So yeah, just obviously needed a tune at that point. So obviously we've done an ECU exchange. We started tuning, unlocked a massive amount of power on this car.
Yeah, there's like 70 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah, like 70 in the mid-range. Now, admittedly, the car wasn't running at its optimum, admittedly, but that is a comparable graph of when it came in and when it's now leaving. So I would imagine it'd be pleasantly surprised by it.
Over the moon, I'm going
yeah, it's going to say. Now, admittedly, I would expect this car to make around the 240 mark. It did finish on 233, I think we finished on. Now, admittedly, I think that because it was so down in the first place, obviously we've made dramatic gains, but obviously done, and obviously given the mileage as well, you know what I mean? It might not be 100%. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it may, obviously it's got 175,000
It's got a Tegiwa leaf heater on it.
That
they tend not to get cleaned out, don't they?
Yeah, I would admit that would probably where I think, in my opinion, the extra brake horsepower would be a good induction kit on there, and I think that would unlock some more power.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, we saw one, didn't we, this week, that we swapped from the Tegiwa to that, and we made 10 brake.
Exactly 10 brake horsepower.
Exactly 10 brake horsepower. So if you made another 10 on this car, well, you'd be exactly where you wanted to be.
If you want to look at those graphs, that's the muddy shift video that's probably come out before this one.
Yeah, it has. Right, should we have a look at that graph?
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Can I have a lem sit?
Yeah, you can have a lemon sit. Yeah.
Thanks.
Well, say it with me, guys. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. There's a whopping 70 brake horsepower gain in the mid-range there, where it was struggling before its tune. I would imagine that's a selection of modifications and not mapped in, and we've definitely got the best out of it today. So, nice power curve, extended the rev range, lowered VTEC somewhat, yeah, and done away with what could only be described as a hideous graph before. And we finish on 232.7194 at the wheels. There we go, another one in the bag. Don't the Skunk2 inlets look absolutely gorgeous? I love them. Anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. And we will see you on the next one. Won't we, Rich? We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.
Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dynodaze. Just to let you know, every last Saturday of the month is a Honda meet at Dynodaze. So that's every last Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon. We've got a rolling road here if you need it. But otherwise, just come down in your Honda, park up, pop your hood, chat to other like-minded enthusiasts. We love it. It's chilled out. So come and join us. Last Saturday of every month, Honda meet. Yeah.